Really? Oh my god. Every time I come down here, I just seriously do not know what to say. It's just... wow. Mind stopping for a fish. Flick a few lures around out there. I reckon you'd do alright. So this is Wye River. This is that caravan park that lost its cars. Oh yeah, the bridge has had some work done. This is where they lost cars, went out there to sea. Time for a little snack. Snack time. So this is Castle Hill Lookout. It's amazing the difference in size of swell. The different direction the coastline is, it's just picking up the swelling different. It's just amazing when you're driving along this Great Ocean Road. 1 minute it's tiny, and then it's got size. Very impressive. See where they've obviously washed away from the structure of the land we used to be out at this distance. Amazing. I think there's only actually 9 now. They call them the 12, but I think 3 have collapsed. Impressive. See where the ocean just washes away when we get the big swells. It just keeps going. And that's where I come from. A town called Eppalock. On the road to Geelong. It's quite a big town. It was a big farming community at some stage. Lake Eppalock. So this is Lake Eppalock. All my friends used to come skiing here when I was a kid at Easter and stuff, so it was on the way back through. I thought I'd come and have a look. See why people come here, it's pretty cute. Well, this is Lake Eppalock. It's obviously empty. Here's the spillway. It's obviously got very little water in it. We need some rain here in Vic. I can say I've been to Puckapunyal. The road to Puckapunyal. Trick that I worked out. So at 1 in the morning I had a flat and I found a screw in it. So I put the spare on, kept going. Very early AM I pulled into a roadside and I put a bigger screw in it with a couple of bits of electrical tape. I blew it right up to 50 psi, which she was bubbling a little bit at that stage, but as you can see, that's soapy water. It seems to be holding. I just checked it when I got more fuel, 43 psi. So just because once you use your spare, you don't have a spare if you lose another one. If you're travelling long distance like I am, it's always handy to at least, even if it was to get you to the next roadhouse or somewhere safe, because you never know when you might have a flat. Didn't take much effort just to put a bigger screw in it. I pulled this screw out of the car and a bit of electrical tape. So yeah, little bush secret. Cheers. Lunch stop at this gorgeous little place here called Mooney Mooney. Let's see. There's a little pub on the Central Coast. Up there with the, what's it called? The Chittaway Bay Tavern. Up there with one of the best snitties I've ever had. Got to be up there with one of the best. These lakes here on the Central Coast are pretty, very pretty. Some Shelley Beach. Away. Shelley Beach. Well, that certainly woke me up. Whew. 8-hour run and quick swim at Tweed and keep going to Broadbeach.